What if I told you that the next few minutes could be worth 50 IQ points for your child? I know, it sounds impossible, but here's the truth that will shake you. Right now, in this very moment, your child's brain is building new connections at a speed it will never reach again in their entire life. And here's the terrifying part. Most parents are accidentally destroying these connections without even realizing it. My name is Kosar Yavari. I'm a child psychologist and therapist. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what's happening inside your child's brain right now, and the simple actions that separate children who go on to become doctors from those who struggle for the rest of their lives. Yes, I said that. And I have the research to prove it. Let me start with the word that's destroying your child's intelligence. It's a 2-letter word. You say it dozens of times every single day. The word is no, don't touch. No, don't go there. No, stop. No, don't open that. Listen to me very carefully. Every time you say no to a child under 2.5 years old, you're not just stopping a behavior. You're stopping a synapse from forming in their brain. Think of synapses as golden threads being woven inside your child's brain right now. Each new experience, each discovery, each exploration creates a new thread. And here's the miracle. From birth to age 5, your child's brain is building these threads faster than at any other time in human life. Especially, and this is critical, especially in the first 2.5 years. These threads determine how intelligent your child will be, how well they'll solve problems, how many words they'll know, whether they'll become a doctor or struggle with addiction. I'm not exaggerating. Let me share a research that changed everything for me. Scientists studied 2 groups of people. Group 1, people who became doctors. Group 2, people who became addicts. Here's what shocked them. Both groups grew up in poor families, same economic background, same neighborhoods, same financial struggles. So what was the difference? Just one thing. Only one single thing. The children who became doctors had something called rich environment. Not rich with money, rich with exploration, rich with play. Rich was someone who said yes to discovery instead of no to everything. The children who became addicts, they grew up in homes where cabinets were always locked. Don't touch was the daily mantra. Television was the babysitter. Exploration was punished. One variable, 2 completely different destinies. And right now, in the next few minutes, you're going to learn exactly how to create that rich environment. No expensive toys needed. No fancy degrees required. Just knowledge, and you're getting it right now. Okay, here's your first mission, and it starts today. Mission 1, create a safe exploration zone. The home of a parent with a child under 2.5 should look completely different from any other home. Here's what I mean. Lower cabinets. Fill them with plastic containers, safe bowls, wooden spoons. Why? Because when your 14-month-old walks over, opens that cabinet, and dumps everything out too, that's not a mess. That's a synapse forming. Every time they put those containers back in, even if you have to do it 10 times, every time they discover that the big bowl doesn't fit inside the small one, golden threads lighting up. Intelligence building, problem-solving skills activating. But what about the dangerous stuff? Move it up high? Yes, I know it's inconvenient. Yes, I know it's a hassle. But here's what I tell parents in my clinic. You can rearrange your house for 2.5 years, or you can pay for therapy for 25 years, your choice. Now let me give you the 5 games that literally build your child's brain. These aren't just fun activities. These are synapse construction tools. Game 1, the texture treasure hunt. Take your child's hand and let them touch. Soft silk fabric, rough sandpaper, smooth glass, fluffy wool, cool metal, warm wood. What's happening in their brain? Their sensory cortex is exploding with new connections. Each texture equals dozens of new synapses. Pro tip, let them play with their food. Yes, I said it. When they squish a banana, poke jelly, squeeze rice between their tiny fingers, that's not bad manners. That's brain development. Game 2, the magic massage symphony. Use coconut oil. Massage your baby's body. But here's the secret. Add sounds to each body part. Touch their tummy. Touch their toes. Back to tummy. Why this works? You're connecting touch, tactile sense, sound, auditory sense, sight, visual tracking, pattern recognition, all at once. Never, under any circumstance, touch your child's private areas for play or fun. Sexual education starts from day one. Inappropriate touching, even playful, can lead to self-stimulation habits, boundary confusion, sexual development issues. Wash quickly when needed, nothing more, ever. Game 3. The Black and White Magic, birth to 6 months. Get books with black pages with white shapes, white pages with black shapes, large, simple, high-contrast images. Move them slowly across your baby's field of vision, left to right. Let their eyes track. Let their neck turn. What's happening? Visual cortex activation, eye muscle coordination, focus development. Cost, maybe $10. Value, priceless visual intelligence foundation. Game 4, the conversation concert. Here's where most parents fail. They talk to their baby like this. Good morning. Time to wake up. Let's change your diaper. Monotone, boring, zero engagement. Instead, do this.
Good morning, good morning. How are you today? Let's wake up, and play, 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 play.
To the rhythm of the beat. Why does this work? Rhythmic speech captures attention 10 times more than flat speech. It develops musical intelligence. It enhances language acquisition. It builds memory through pattern. Bonus. Make exaggerated facial expressions with each phrase. When you say,
How are you?
eyes wide, eyebrows up, hands in question gesture, your baby is learning emotion recognition, social cues, communication patterns, all from your silly singing. Game 5, the cabinet chaos. Controlled exploration. Here's the game that terrifies traditional parents. Let your child empty the cabinet. Let them dump the drawer. Let them explore the bag. But it's so messy, exactly. And in that mess, your child is learning, if I pull this way, it comes out. If I push that way, it goes in. This item is heavy. This one is light. I can make things happen with my actions. This is called agency. This is called problem solving. This is called intelligence building. And you know what the saddest thing is? I've met 10-year-olds in my clinic whose parents say, my child has no curiosity. My child never asks questions. My child doesn't want to learn anything. And I have to tell them, you locked all the cabinets when they were 18 months old. You said no to every exploration. You shut down their curiosity before it could grow. Don't make that mistake. The silent killer. Now I need to tell you about the device that's stealing your child's intelligence. And it's probably in your living room right now. Television. But wait, it's educational TV. It's baby programs. Stop. Listen to me very carefully. For children under 2.5 years old, television is poison. Here's why. The frame rate problem. The human eye processes real life at a certain frame rate. Television throws 10 times more visual information at your child's brain per second. Their brain cannot process it. So what does it do? It shuts down. It goes into passive mode. Learning stops, synapse formation stops, brain growth stops. It's like pressing the off button on your child's brain development. But what about the sounds? The words they hear? If they can't see your lips moving, they won't learn the words. Language acquisition requires seeing mouth movements, hearing sounds, making the connection. Television provides zero of that. What does television provide? A hypnotized child, a convenient babysitter, and a significantly lower IQ in the long run. Studies show every hour of TV before age 2 equals measurable decrease in language development and attention span. So here's the rule. Before 2.5 years, zero television. After 2.5 years, extremely limited, carefully selected content only, no exceptions. Not even educational programs. Not even just while I cook dinner. Find another way. The 2 toxic habits. Before we finish, I need to warn you about 2 habits that develop when children don't have enough quality play. Habit 1, nail biting and finger sucking. Now listen carefully. Until 2.5 years old, finger sucking is completely normal. It's called the oral development stage. Babies explore the world with their mouths. This is healthy. But if your child has nothing else to do, no play, no exploration, no engagement, this normal phase can turn into a permanent nervous habit that lasts for years. Habit 2, the one nobody talks about. Bored children sometimes discover self-soothing behaviors. When a child has too much free time, no engaging activities, and little parental interaction, they may develop habits that become difficult to break later. The solution? Play with your child, engage them. Keep their brilliant little mind busy with discovery. I know what you're thinking right now. This sounds exhausting. I'm already so tired. I have work, I have a home to manage, I have so many responsibilities. I get it. I'm a mother too. I've had the sleepless nights, the moments of overwhelm, the times I thought I couldn't do it anymore. But here's what I learned. The laundry will always be there. The career opportunities will come again. The clean house can wait. But these golden years, they will never come back. Right now, right this second, your child's brain is building the foundation for their entire life. Every conversation you have is building language. Every texture they touch is building sensory intelligence. Every cabinet they explore is building problem-solving skills. Every yes you give to safe exploration is building confidence. These children, these beautiful, wordless little humans, they're asking us with their innocent eyes, will you show me the world? Will you help me become everything I can be? Will you give me the rich environment I need? Your answer matters. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. So here's what I want you to do right now. Step 1. Go to one lower cabinet in your kitchen. Clear out anything dangerous. Fill it with safe items. Step 2. The next time your child reaches for it, don't say no. Let them explore. Step 3. Comment below and tell me what happened. I read every single comment. And if this video opened your eyes, share it with one parent who needs to hear this message. Subscribe to this channel because in the coming weeks, I'm revealing the exact method to potty train without trauma, how to handle picky eating without forcing or bribing, and the sleep secrets that actually work. The golden years are now. Let's not waste a single moment. I'm Kosar Yavari, and I'll see you in the next video.